All right, just got my titanium cutting boards. Now, these are dishwasher safe, durable, healthy, for the eco-friendly, easy to clean, antibacterial. Now, when I say titanium, they're titanium base cover, right? But they have three different sizes that you get. The larger one, the smaller one, and the medium one, of course. We're gonna use today this one. I'm gonna compare them. So this is a plastic one. It's very dangerous because a lot of these plastics are known to get chip away, and you ate them. You know it's something that's not. It's a no-no. Get rid of them. You no longer need these no more. And of course, you can see the lines. These cut through very simple with any knife, right? And they're made of plastic. They're not dishwasher safe. They start bowing too if you put them in the dishwasher. Hot water temperature will make them bow too. So that's another thing that when you're washing them. That one. Now this one is one of my favorite ones, but it's cracking. It's already showing its age. It has that bow that I'm talking about. It bends over. If you guys can see, it bends, it curves in here. It is bamboo based, but it still gets damaged. And it's one of the things that I can't keep it flat base. Things start rolling away and it gets a lot difficult. So, and if you guys you can see the curve on this one. And dishwasher safe? No, you gotta hand wash it too. And of course, once you leave it soaking for a while, things like this start happening everywhere. One of the things I did like about these is that I'm avoiding all that stuff. I no longer have to worry about these getting that extra flexibility. Don't worry about things slicing off here and eating them, because right here, once you do it, you see everything and it's just wipe it away. Very simple. All right, let's cut the rest of this mango. Now you want to do squares here, right? Squares. Squares. Look at this. Let's clean it up. Let's see how it looks after I clean it up. How easy is it to clean? Very clean, see? Simple. Now let's cut a watermelon with one of these. So let's go ahead and do that.